Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Ayub Malik and I am from 2CSCD of the roll number 5K6. Today I am going to explain about hyperlinks. Hyperlinks is a subtopic of HTML from the subject Advanced Java from Unit 3. So today I am going to discuss everything about hyperlinks. Let us get started. First of all, what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is nothing but a link placed in a HTML form. So a link is nothing but which redirects you to another page by clicking. So whenever you click a certain object, this object can be a text, image, video, or audio. Whenever you click this, you are redirected. Hello everyone, my name is Malik. Today I am going to explain about hyperlinks. I am from 2CSD of the roll number 5K6. Let us get started. Hyperlinks is a subtopic of HTML, which we are going to discuss now. A hyperlink is a link which is placed in HTML form. So to understand this, let us know what is a link. A link is a certain object. It can be a word, image, or video. By clicking it, whenever you click that certain object, it redirects to another page. So it is also can be called as connection between web pages. So it is like a link between two web pages. So whenever you click that link, you are redirected to another page. So hyperlinks can be of many types. Uh, a word can be a hyperlink, a video can be a hyperlink, an image can be a hyperlink. It not only redirects to another web page, it can also redirect to another video, it can also redirect to another image, another graphics, another any multimedia you want. There is a basic syntax for us to create a hyperlink. Let us see that. So in HTML, whatever we do, whatever we create, we place that within the tags, the opening tag and the closing tag, which has a forward slash in it. So for for us to create an hyperlink, we use a particular tag is known as the anchor tag. So the anchor tag is this, a letter A placed within the less than and greater than symbol. So let us see the syntax. So this is the syntax. The opening tag and the URL, the link of the destination which we want to be displayed whenever we click it is passed within the double quotes and given to the attribute href here and the closing tag as well. So there's a major doubt here that what if we don't give the attribute and we just display the link? So what happens is if you don't use href, you just display the link here within the tags. What happens is the link will still be visible, but it cannot be clickable and it will not redirect to another page. The href acts as the storage of the destination link. So if you do not give href, the link cannot be clickable, hence it cannot redirect to another page. So as I have said, there are different types of hyperlinks: text hyperlink, image hyperlink, bookmark hyperlink, and email hyperlink. Let us get started with the text hyperlink. So as simple as it sounds, text hyperlink is a word that points out to another page. But whenever you click that word, it point out to another page or it opens another page. The live example is here. So this is actually a link. So if I click this link, another page might open. It might be a web page, it might be a file, it might be a video, it might be a audio. It is your wish. So let us see. So generally text hyperlinks are represented by an underline, as you can see here. See, and it is also clickable. So uh, observe this pointer, mouse pointer. Whenever I pointer to another word, it is not clickable. So, but whenever I point out to this thing, the hand cursor is showing. So it means it is clickable. So let us see. This the syntax. This is the syntax of the text hyperlink. So what happened here is I'm giving the basic syntaxes of the HTML opening tag and the body opening tag. So I'm currently displaying a list. I'm trying to display a list on the web page. So UL is unordered list, and within that we are inserting two elements. Every element is represented by the opening and closing li tags. So what happens here is I'm inserting the hyperlink syntax for the list element home, and also for the list element services I'm also giving the hyperlink. So whenever I click the home and services, it will redirect to another pages. But at the contact, so let us see how it works. This is the HTML form of the above. This is the working model of the above text. See here. So whenever I click this, it redirects to another page. So in this home file, I have created two list elements, CSS and HTML. So and I have connected these two to home. So whenever I click, you will be displayed these two. So let us see what is in services. Training. Yeah, I have kept the word training in the services file, and I have attached both to these list elements. So whenever you click this word, it redirects to another page which has two elements. And whenever you click services, it redirects to another page having the one element training. So this is a text hyperlink. So whenever you click a thing, it will redirect to another page, another file, or anything else. The next one is image hyperlink. So yeah, so whenever you click an image, it points out to another page. So as I have said before, this page can be a web page, a file, a video, audio, or any other multimedia you want. Before I have placed the hyperlinks within the list elements, so all the list elements have become the hyperlinks. So let us see the syntax of image hyperlinks. So this is the syntax of image hyperlinks. So I'm creating a HTML opening tag and the title of the web page is image hyperlink, and let us look at the body. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax of the hyperlink. A href attribute and the destination where we want to go. And here, look at this. This is the syntax to create an image. I mean to display an image in HTML. So what I'm doing is I'm displaying an image in another website and giving that link to another image which will open. So whenever I execute this file, you will see an image. And whenever you click that image, it will be clickable and it will redirect to another image presented another website. So this is gonna be the home page image. So the image that is going to be displayed on the home page. This is, and this one is going to be the destination. So let us see. And this is the executable file of the above one. See, whenever you see here, you see a image here, right? And observe the cursor. It is not clickable on any place on this website, but whenever you go onto this image, it shows it is clickable, right? So let me click on this. So whenever I click that, it opened another page, right? And in this another page, you have another link, and it will also have the features for zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. It is the default feature for every image in HTML. So let me show you that. This is the image. So clickable image. So it is called image hyperlink. I'm clicking this and it is going to redirect to another page. And this can be zoomed in and zoomed out. This is the image hyperlink. So let us look at the next one. Bookmark hyperlink. So what is a bookmark? A bookmark is a web browser feature to save websites URL addresses for future reference. It is like whenever you're trying to read a book and you have stopped at somewhere. So what we do is generally put out a pencil in between the pages, or we just fold that page at the corner. That is known as a bookmark, literal meaning. So the technical meaning of bookmark is if you want to save a web page or website for the future reference, you want to see it, you create a bookmark. That is known as bookmark. So if you want a website saved for you for the future reference, so you don't have to type all the address again in the browser, you make it as a bookmark. A bookmark is an object used to record location in a Word document. So as I've said, you store the location in a Word document and make it happen. The next one is email hyperlink. So what happens is whenever you click a link here, so this link can be a word and an image too, and also a video. So whenever you click that particular thing, it will redirect to a page that will send emails to your destination location. So if you click just some hyperlink, it will redirect to an email page which will send the email to the destination. Let us see the code. So it is very simple. Out of all the hyperlinks, this is one of the most simplest syntax. HTML, body, and our code within body and closing tags. So what you do is you give this particular special attribute mail to the href, the clickable link, the anchor tag, and you mention a special attribute mail to, and let us change roll number h5. So what happens is, so mail to and your roll number, send mail. So let us see the executable version. So you might have observed here. So this is a hyperlink, right? As before I have said, this is a text hyperlink. So what happens is if the link is unvisited, it is going to be in the color of green. If it is visited, it is going to be color of orange. So as I have guessed this one, this is on the color of green and orange. So let us look at the executable version of email hype.html. So this is a email hyperlink. It may look like a word hyperlink, but so when you click that, it is going to redirect to another page. So as I have said, it has redirected us to an email sender. So it will automatically put out your location, put out your email address in the from address and the to address you have specified in the text document before. All you need to do is add a subject and send. So let us look at this again. You click this one and a page will be opened which will send emails. So the from and to address will be mentioned before. All you need to do is add the subject. If you want to discard it, discard it. If you want to send it, send.